Hey everyone, it's Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Rosemont Way. If you're looking for a single-story, model-like, fully upgraded estate that offers paid solar and a sparkling pool, this may be for you. Let's head on in and check it out. Welcome home, featuring high ceilings and a nice open floor plan throughout, 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and upgraded baseboards and plantation shutters that enriches the home. The spacious family room features a fireplace and opens up to the gorgeous kitchen that features a large walk-in pantry, quartz countertops, modern white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, double oven, a wine cooler, and a massive center island. Relax in your private backyard that features a newly built, sparkling pool. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Rosemont Way. For more information for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.